one click on your phone and you are going to make the most money. So there is a secret, and stay tuned to learn more and to know what's that secret. You know, this is my channel, Stephan, the channel where I'm sharing with you brand new strategies almost every single day, showing you how to make money online. And if you are brand new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you didn't yet, and turn on the bell notification as well in order to allow me to send you a notification whenever I come out with a brand new strategy like this one you are watching right now. Let me tell you that inside of this video I want to share with you a trick that's going to help you using your mobile phone to make the most money. So we are going to combine two apps that's going to give you the opportunity to make that amount of money without being talking too much. So let's get jump to the first app. Of course, we are here right now on the Google Play Store, where you are going to download this app on your mobile phone. But stay tuned. As you can see here, I'm not sharing with you the name of the app yet. I don't want you to go there try to figure it out yourself how it's working, alright? Because you are going to miss such a great secret right here. I have a bonus for you to make more money without using this strategy if you don't like. Just stay tuned till the end of this video to know what's the bonus. Of course, I want to show you here that you have the ability to withdraw $5, $10 and even $20 and up to $50, 100% free and working worldwide. Stay tuned to know what's the name of this app, so that way you have the opportunity to go there and try to download it on your mobile phone and start making money. Now if you see here, when your payout order is successful, and an email will confirm the completion in 1 or even 2 days, right? Whenever you withdraw the money, they will send you an email to confirm that no one has stolen your money. And of course, if you go more, you'll find here, if you want to know more about how that app is working, just be one click on how it's working and you are going to know all the information about it. Of course, if you are wondering what you are going to do in order to make that money, you have unlimited micro jobs right here in order to make that money. Of course, you are watching videos, so go download that app and start watching videos while you are making money. Of course, the most important I ever like about this money making apps is that they have the referral program, so that you can invite your friends, family members. Of course, I want to show you the secret of using the power of social media, exactly Facebook. You can go to Facebook, you are going to look up to some groups of making money online, share with them your link, and you are going to make the most money. And of course, you are going to help them because they are looking to make some money online. Do that and you are going to make the most money. Stay tuned to learn what's the other app which we are going to use in order to make the most money. So just stay tuned, we have another app. And of course, as I said at the beginning of this video, I have a bonus for you showing you how you can make literally the most money, more than you are going to make using this app. So just stay tuned. And if you didn't subscribe yet, go down, give me a subscribe right now and give me a thumbs up, because whenever I see your thumbs ups, I know that you really like my videos and the topics I'm sharing with you in this channel. So I'm going to keep producing more content. And right now, this is the time to show you what's the name of this app right here. Of course, we are talking about Make Money Free Cash App. You can just come to the search bar there and write the name and download it on your device and start making that money, right? It's something 100% free. Why you want to miss this opportunity? This is time to jump to the other app right here. Of course, this is the app right here. As you see, you have unlimited gift cards. We have PayPal, Amazon, Google Play, Walmart, Target, Whole Foods Market, alright? And here you can refer your friends, as the thing you did with the first app right there. Copy the referral code and share it with other people who are going to make money, and you are going to help them make more money. Of course, go more, you are going to find that just by answering some surveys or playing some apps or downloading or even some apps or just completing some offers right here, you can go in to make more money. Alright, it's something 100% free. As you see here, this homepage here is going to be revealed for you when you download this app right here, and you are going to earn almost 192 coins, right? Almost this is everything about this app, and we can right now show you the name of this app here. It's cash out, earn rewards and gift cards. Just go read down this name right here on the search bar of googleplay.com, where you are going to download them and start making the most money. And I think that this is the everything you wanted to know about this app. So just if you wanted to make more money, I think that this is the time to show you what's the bonus, because at the beginning of this video I said that I have a bonus for you. Of course, I have it, and they still waiting to give it for you right now. Of course, the bonus is this video right here. It's working worldwide. It's going to give you this opportunity, as you see in the thumbnail. It's going to make you the most money. Don't waste it. Don't really ignore watching it. It's 100% free. It's going to help you make more money. Watch it, give me a subscribe, and give me a thumbs up.